This is how you can use an existing layout to superimpose some like or similar parts into the same fixture array. The first thing is to open the existing file and maybe save it as another file name. So let's call it new file for now. I can then hide some of the options. We know we don't need to see the fixture table, well table. We don't need to see anything really other than the parts. So once this is finished saving, it's quite a big file, I can go back and hide the fixture. Okay, that's got rid of most of it, so we're good. So CAD import, get my two new files. Okay, so that's my first one, so I'm just going to get it oriented in a similar position to the other one. So I could just rotate it about the y-axis, 3D rotate these two bits. First point, I'll just say the center of there, midpoint, and it's the y direction, so y 999. I know I'll go 90 degrees. I'll just do a simple 2D rotate. Pick my two bits. Center points here. Doesn't really matter actually anywhere. And angle of rotation is 90 degrees. Okay, so I've got my box somewhat in the same orientation. I'm then going to import my other file. So again, I'm going to 3D rotate this piece and this piece. First point is just say that's fine, end of there. Around the y, so y 999, whatever. Try 90 degrees. Okay, so I'll obviously do it again and do 180. So this one, first point, y 999, 180. 2D rotate this and this. Center point that. It's fine. I want to go minus 90. So I've got that one kind of in the right orientation. So now I can translate, say, the little smaller box. So the front position, I'm just going to pick the midpoint of this. Hopefully I can pick it up. Looks like it. Yeah, the midpoint of this edge here. And I'm going to put it to the midpoint of this here. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing with these two bits. Midpoint there to the midpoint there. Okay. Now we know that these existing parts are on a layer called imported part. Okay. So like if I hide that, you'll see the other ones disappear. Okay. So the simplest thing to do in this case would be to delete that layer. And that'll delete those solids off the drawing too. So say yes, okay. Say done. I then can go back to my fixture and say that the new pieces are on the imported layer. So I just say assign as imported part. So pick this and this. and now they should be on that layer, so if I hide the part it should disappear. Okay, so in essence we're ready to go. We can, I mean, I think the contact pointer though is pretty good. I mean, again, it's adjustable nut, so even if it was out a little bit you could just adjust it. But now I can just build a fixture and it will inherit all the other parameters that came from the other previous fixture. I'll just pause this while it's processing. Actually, there's one thing I didn't do right, so let me stop the process. What I forgot to do was cover the holes and gaps in the bottom of the new boxes. So let me do that. Let's abort it. Okay. So modify, edit 3D geometry, cover holes and gaps, pick the face, cover, pick the bottom, pick the face, cover. Okay. Did you not do that? Do it again. Cover gaps, pick the face. Didn't seem to get that face. Cover. Okay. So I've got my two sheets it's created. So now, I mean, I could do it. I could build it again. We will be hopefully, as I say, back in action. So I'll send the finished model as soon as it's complete. Thanks.